Neither rain nor snow nor hysteria will keep us from our appointed news rounds. So let's layer up this sled and slide into the madness. This is the topical storm. Topic number 1. The snow that fell from Jonas's lactating man bosom was as soft and light as any from Utah. And with the dense accumulation and desolate streets, it was the perfect storm for some impromptu snowboarding and skiing in the middle of Manhattan. Check this out. Woo! Oh, that's so fun. They have turned those piles of snow into impromptu kickers. Look at that. That's what they call hooky bobbing in these United States. My hupsicle. That'd be you, Dave, my man. I love you. He actually got all geared up with a GoPro and was doing 2 a.m. powder turns in Central Park on Sunday morning. And when he puts up that footage, it's gonna be sick, bruh. The sledding, it was all time. It was fantastic. If you have a shovel and a snowboard and you didn't build yourself a small kicker in a park or on a hill, you have failed. And that is the memo. Topic number 2. This weekend's blizzard canceled events left and right, but that didn't stop this West Virginia swim team. They practiced despite the snow.
Yes! Oh my God, Chris takes the lead!
Yay! Speedos and snowdrifts! You're doing it all wrong! The water is frozen! You can't swim in the water when the water is millions of tiny little crystals. Oh, not only is that wrong, it's the wrong way to swim, folks. It's also very dangerous. And I'm not talking about exposure to the elements or frostbite. There's something even more deadly and common than either of those. Sadly, the entire West Virginia team was devoured by an abominable snow shark. They will be missed, and their shrivelage. Topic number 3. Perhaps you enjoyed Tina Fey's spot-on turn as Sarah Palin on this week's SNL, but the most fun came when the governor herself was remixed with some creative beats. She rhymes like Busta, and her prose is every good DJ's gift.
Yeah, right wing and bitter clinging rock and rollers, holy rollers. Yeah, right wing and bitter clinging hard working.
This is a woman.
He's high off his power and his passion is his money. He fires.
You're fired.
He's known to fire.
You're fired.
And Trump and his trumpeters, they're not trumpeting enough.
That morsel was from Tronovich, who is obviously a visionary because electro country is the wave of the future, even if her tired Palinisms represent the past. Topic number 4. Here's a pro tip. When you're transporting 20 pounds of marijuana over the state line, don't smoke enough of it beforehand that you get all paranoid, as in so paranoid you suspect rather that every car is a disguised police car chasing you. And then you call 911 to turn yourself in for a crime no one knew you were committing.
We're the two dumb that got caught trying to bring some stuff through your border, and all your cops are just driving around us like a bunch of jack wagons. I just really would like you guys to end it.
Okay.
And yeah, a bunch of your cops driving around a bunch of civilian cars, just not wanting to pick us up. I don't know what's the deal. I was just wondering if you could help us out and just end it.
Okay.
They didn't pick you up because you're criminals. They didn't not pick you up because you're dumb. Here's a mugshot of the two geniuses, Leland Ayala Doliente and Holland Sward. Yes, they've been jailed. And no, they didn't hurt anyone. Sadly, not even themselves. But in the end, of course, that's a good thing, because when you get the munchies, you go to McDonald's. And you know what's at McDonald's? Jaws. And sadly, those two perps were eaten alive by a great white fast food shark. And they were delicious. Topic number 5. A lot of people don't realize that when you're in the stands of a basketball game, you're not just a spectator. You're a potential strategic distraction like these brilliant students at Sheridan High School in lovely Thornville, Ohio. It was a baby boy. He was so healthy and fully grown. He had on jeans. And they totally turfed that free throw shot. Well done, team. That was fantastic. If you have any weird stories you want to see in the Topical Storm, you know I'm desperate to see them. You can tweet me at Kennedy Nation. Also find me on Instagram and use that there hashtag Topical Storm, the one that's blinking in neon blue.